This tutorial will show you how to access the study team teaching strategies and team support on CPM's website. So you want to begin by opening your browser, typing in ebooks.cpm.org. Select the text that you are working out of. And next, on the left-hand side, you'll notice a tab that says Teacher. You want to click on the tab that says Teacher. We're going to go down to Team Support. And here you will see using study teams for effective learning, various videos, examples of study team interactions, the math discourse, circulation. We have a question, study team test. Along the top, you notice there are other tabs. This one may be specifically useful. Intro to study team and teaching strategies with more videos. You also have text here that introduces students to the specific collaborative learning expectations. And lastly, you want to check out team resources. So team resources will be where you come to print out whatever resources you need for your lesson. So ideas for organizing study teams. You also have table tents, cards, and then here is the Spanish version if necessary. And last but not least, team strategies with strips and the card. So this kind of details the strategies on strips. So the carousel around the world, index card, station rotation, the dyad, the fishbowl, so on and so forth. If you want to print, you can click on print. If you want to download and save to your computer for easy access, you can click download, choose what you want it to be in the location, and save.